Sorkar Jylla lingba ka kinhun menteri kala minjur ya ka ordinance nek asngi baar banting khap iki kyndon ka UGC ka ban treikam ha ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Act ka Sorkar Jylla kala nang penyar ya ka Jilli jong ka Williamson Sangma State Technical University bat pin kala ya ka Shaka State University Bapura habaya kren bat kilat pathai khubor menteri rangba ka Jylla Conrad ke Sangma ulaya thu bayakane ka ordinance jong ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University Amendment Bill la Wanrah khnang banyo penrung ya ki katu kat ne ki kyndon ka UGC katu kat ne ki kyndon ki kintup kum ka jingthung ya ka Board of Governors ba ka jingpun wandur ya ka Board of Governors kat kup ki kyndon ka UGC ka waipat ka de ka Board of Management kumala batha da ka UGC ka ban sa penrung lang ha ka an ki don ru katu kat ne ki jingpun kala ki barit baria ki badon kam ban haple kat kum ki kyndon treikam ka UGC ki ba ban penrung hindre ki bakongsan ki de ka Board of Governors ba ka Board of Management.
As you are aware that we have expanded the scope of the Captain Williamson Sangma State Technical University and made it into a full-fledged state university now. But while we did the amendments to that, there were certain other concerns that were raised, and after discussion with the Honorable Governor and others, and the Education Department, the amendment was being done to incorporate certain UGC norms that are there. And hence that amendment was cleared in terms of an ordinance today to put in the UGC norms which will be applicable in the Captain Williamson Sangma State University Act. So we have included those particular norms. There are many of them in detail, which I don't think I'll be able to go through. But just to give you a basic idea, for example, the Board of Governors, the structure of the Board of Governors as prescribed by the UGC, so that amendment will have to be incorporated. Then Board of Management as per prescribed by the UGC norms, that will be incorporated in this. Then other small changes that are there which are required as per the UGC rules and regulations. Those small changes, other changes will also be incorporated, but the major one is the Board of Governors and the Board of Management.